let's get some footage of driving back out of here. Maybe go a little slower, get a different angle. Oh, he's doing yard work. he's chopping the weeds around his camper. Okay, that's cool. Nice clean looking truck there. People got the cones out. They're trying. Some solar panels on top of that little car. Stupid train that nobody wanted. The smart train. Nobody rides that fucking train. Sorry for my language. That train runs and runs several times a day, and it causes traffic when it goes through towns, and nobody rides it. But Gavin Newsom and the Democrats decided they wanted it. No, we gotta have it because it's green. Oh, yeah, and it runs on gasoline, by the way. Yeah, anyway. To